What's going on, guys? Mike with NRGcreativ. Got my sidekick out here helping me today. I'm going to show you something today that you're not going to see anywhere else. This is going to be a kind of a two-part thing, but all in one video. It's going to be a battle of the selfie sticks, different selfie sticks. I've got the weight written on here for each one. You can see here on the front one that I make. And I've got the new X5, the Insta360 X5, but I've also got the X3. So I'm going to do a kind of unique perspective, and I'm going to show you guys why it's important to watch the extension of your selfie stick and what that selfie stick goes through. Now, as you know, when you're filming from the camera and you're on that selfie stick in whatever mount you're using, you don't really see, you will see the ski doing this, because there's no way you're going to get that vibration or that stabilization out of there. Everywhere else around you is nice and stabilized. But I'm going to have in different spots, like I'll have from the side mount over there, watching the back mount and so on. And I want to show you guys, I'm going to attempt to show you what that stick does and why it is important. If it's rough out, today's not too bad. It's a normal day out in the Gulf, you know, a little bit of waves, but nothing serious, but just normal riding and what that stick goes through. Hopefully it will capture all of the points that I'm trying to make here. And let's go ahead and get some riding done. So I'm going to extend the rear pole. This is the heaviest pole out of everything that I'm working with, and it's 13 ounces. So this is the big 36 millimeter carbon fiber stick. So I'm gonna have the X3 camera on that. We're gonna be videoing from it. I'm also gonna have the X5 on the side mount, and I wanna see if we can capture what that stick does, and we'll extend it out pretty far, and then we'll extend it down and show you the differences. And we're gonna do the same thing on the side mount, front mount, and so on. All right, so let's take off. The stick is extended pretty far in the rear, and that is on the rear game changer mount. This is the dual that'll hold the flag also. But let's go ahead and show you some video, not only from this, but you'll see video from the side mount. All right, so you can see there, that was me, and you saw me in the video there actually stop and lower the stick, and the differences between it being extended pretty far and then extended like it is now. So you're gonna get good shots either way. I know some of you guys want to get that far away look from your ski, but when it's rough out, you can see the amount, and it's not really rough today. You can see the amount of flex on that stick. And that, no matter what mount you're getting, guys, is gonna take its toll on your mount eventually, or your stick. So your weak point is always gonna be your selfie stick. Now, another video I'm doing out here today, you can check it out. It's going to be a battle of the selfie sticks. So I've got a new one I'm trying out because this has been my go-to, the 36mm one. But not only is it heavy, it is beefy, but the thing I don't like about this mount is if you're using an angle mount or one straight up and down, over time, when you're beating on it, it tends to lower itself. It doesn't lock in place no matter what you do. So, and again, I don't know if it's, I mean, it does a good job of trying to, but it just doesn't lock fully. So this one over here is a little bit smaller. It's also carbon fiber, but you can see here, I mean, it's pretty free right now, but when you twist it and lock it, it stays in place. So I'm giving this one a shot. We're gonna see what it does. It's also lighter. So it's about 6 ounces lighter than that beefy one. So throughout the day, you know, check this video, watch the rest of it if you're inclined to, and you're gonna see a lot of shots here, not only showcasing the X5 and doing some slow-mo out here also with the waves, but showing the flex on each of these mounts and how they hold up. Even with my front mount there, that's probably the lightest one of all. I make that one, it's not extendable. It's only 3.8 ounces, it's the lightest of all. That mount there, you'll see it from the X5, but even when I put the camera on, it doesn't flex very much. So pretty solid. And also I am out here with the new color. This one I am calling the Orange Ice. So I've got a reducer on this one so I could run that smaller pole on the Orange Ice. All right guys, so that was a lot of video. We tried various amount of sticks here, and you can see the wobble on each one. Be sure to stick around, keep an eye out for the next video, which is going to be a selfie stick showdown. I'm going to test these sticks, my stick, ones that I use all the time, as well as some others, and give you my opinion. Guys, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for supporting. We will see you next time.